Oh, come on inside.
Hi.
Hi.
Okay, so we're at the Country Inn.
Radisson.
Radisson?
Suites.
Is that right?
Yeah, Radisson Suites. So.
Here it is. Hey.
Oh, no.
Country Inn and Suites by Radisson. That's where we are. So we'll start over here. First we have coffee maker.
Kind of a coffee maker. I've had these before. They're usually not
in
very
the
good.
bathroom.
So the vanity is out here, which is convenient.
It's not bad. There's a lot of light, and it keeps the bathroom free because the girls,
take forever.
they're going to be in there forever. And then we've already kind of hung up a few things. The closet, extra pillow and blanket up top, an iron, and an ironing board. And it's all open, no doors, which kind of helps like make it feel a little bit bigger.
Yeah.
We're not going to be here long, and we didn't expect it to be very luxurious.
Toilet and a shower, so you can't. It would be nice if the toilet was separate. So someone could shower and do the other. So.
But I mean, this is kind of like the old school hotels we used to stay in.
Yeah, this is.
Motels, kind of, that we used to stay in. It was a hall, like it's interior. How's the bed?
It's soft.
Soft. Okay.
Place over here.
You got a bench, so there's a sitting bench or a bench for your luggage, and then this nice little cabinet for your fridge. I didn't expect to have a fridge.
Yeah, fridge and a microwave.
And a microwave. I don't understand. All of them lock them away, like shut them behind something.
I think they don't want you to know about them.
Yeah, I don't know. And then
There's television with a couple of. I don't even think we're gonna unpack this time.
where are the light switches to those lights?
I look for them. That's when I turned off the other light. Maybe this light.
Maybe. Well, that does help.
Helps some.
So, all right. So over
What's important are their chargers.
the outlets. So we do have on each side of the bed. You have 2 outlets and 1 USB. It says charging only. So, anyway,
Chairs.
2 beds. A little, the floor room is good, and then a table and 2 chairs. Where are the girls?
Well, let's see what the view is out here at the Radisson. So,
That lets a lot of light in.
yeah.
We have a balcony. This is pretty nice. Do they all have balconies? And we're up on the 5th floor.
Nice and high.
Yeah.
Hello there.
And, oh,
The view is nice.
there the girls. Everybody was wondering where you were. They're here.
The pool is a little bit more rustic than we're used to.
Well, I don't think we're going to be at the pool very much.
That pool. This railing is a little bit creaky. I wouldn't lean on it too hard. So.
I mean, you'd only land on that. So like, the worst thing that could happen is get a little bird poop on you.
They have owls down here to keep birds from sitting up here. So. That's nice.
There are people out in the water playing.
Yeah, I was like, that was the rustic pool I was talking about.
It's nice. There's people floating. Like there's,
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see.
It's gonna get rough down here, I think. I don't know what this is. Probably Pigeon Forge River or something. I bet it's cold. I bet it is. We'll get down there and put our feet in the water at least once.
Oh, we definitely will have a video coming from the water. And I have a feeling there are going to be a few rocks taken from that water bed for our memory jar.
I always take rocks from places.
Is it cold?
Hey, is that water cold?
Yeah.
We got confirmation the water's cold.
Water is cold, but we're excited. And look, there's people over there on some floats. We didn't bring our ring float.
Yeah, they are.
What if you floated down? How do you get back?
That's what your plan was. That's what the plan is. No.
Look at that, though. That's going to be tough for them to go through. I want to see these people go.
I don't know that they're actually floating. They're probably just kind of swimming out there and then go back up.
They haven't made it down here yet.
That thing was kind of like the easiest thing when we whitewater rafting.
Yeah, that's the easy whitewater rafting. You went whitewater rafting not long ago, didn't you?
I want to go again. I saw a pamphlet to go here. It's
Oh.
really fun. I do
All right,
recommend.
so we have a balcony, 2 chairs. We could probably, if we needed to, we could bring these 2 chairs out with us. But we've got to go, guys. We got shopping to do. things to see. I don't know if we can find anything to do here in Pigeon Forge.
Yeah, it's crazy. There's like.
Oh, look, they left us any ideas.
Oh, wait.
They left us a tip.
Oh, there's no.
The tip was, I hope you paid your bill.
Stay in school, kids.
Stay in school.
Huh?
Are they going? Okay, we'll bring you guys with us to watch these people float down the white water.
And now we're separated.
I don't know if they're gonna make it.
That's a little kid right over there.
Oh, there he went. And there she goes. Dad went the other way.
Yeah.
I think he went the rougher route. Okay,
Daddy,
there he goes.
they're yelling, Daddy, Daddy.
Ah! Oh, that looks like so much fun. Did we all bring our chacos?
Yes.
Yes, we did. We're gonna have to wear them because those rocks might hurt your feet. All right, what do we say?
Make sure to like if you like our video, subscribe if you want to see more, and hit that notification bell so you're always notified when we post. Remember, iNerdya.